Meanwhile, Morisaki, okay, Morilano, oh, Wabilana. Hello, everyone. Bye, bye. Hello, fans. Hi, everyone.
Have you guys sex?
Yes. Okay, guys. Hi, everyone. Hello, everyone. I know I'm holding you whole this live chat. I know I told you I'll be coming out this evening, but unfortunately I couldn't come out earlier as I promised. Oh my God, it's due to this huge fans and outpour of love that we're getting in Manchester, AJ Team Worldwide. Yes. So thank you guys for joining me. It's a big party. I thought it's going to be something small, but then you can see the large outpour of people that we have in Manchester that especially came out to see your CEO.
I'm so happy. I am very, very happy.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you,
with my family to see Jagaban.
Thank you.
And I'm so happy to see her.
Thank you.
In fact, she's fantastic. 6 footer, beautiful, set, front and back. You're wonderfully made.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. I miss you all. So, guys, we are here live in Manchester, having our fun. So, don't mind me. Oh my God, there's too much noise in there, so I can't do it in there, but it's a bit clearer. We could get a clearer picture in there, but then I'm not going to be that audible. So I'm not sure if you can get what I'm saying clearly. Can you guys hear me? Oh my God, there seems to be so much noise. Okay, hold on. I'm going to increase the volume of my handset so you guys can hear me clearly. So thank you all for coming out to see me. This is what we are getting in Manchester. We don't live here, but then we've got a huge fan base. You can see how many people. Look at the streets. Everywhere is fully packed. You see? Everywhere is full. There's car everywhere. This is Mostin. This is Mostin. Mostin Road, Mostin Lane in Manchester. And we have more than 100 people, and some people are still arriving. Okay now. Okay, La Buca restaurant. CEO is here. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Yes, I'm out to honor my fans in Manchester. They invited me specially to come out to have some fun with them tonight, and I'm representing AJ Team Worldwide. So thank you guys for being a part of this dream. People actually, appreciate what we do out there. Some part of us, some are not even part of us. Some are even quiet viewers. Those people they call silent watchers, as they used to phrase it. Well, we are. Okay. Okay, I'm allowing my fans to talk. Okay, now let them blog anything. Look at it there. Everywhere is filled up. Both ladies and men are in there. It's all filled up, and I tell you, I could not even. Oh my God! Balaji. I'm good. How are you? Okay, so we have so many people out here. Look all around. Can you see? Hello, sir. How are you? Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Okay. Wọ́n sì pé àṣẹ ń tó dáa, wọ́n sì kọ́ tayé wọn ni wá. wọ́n sì ní búlì ni sẹ́yìn àwọn búlì kò ní lájà ọ̀tọ̀nà fún àwọn èrò fáǹsì báyìí láwọn táwọn ọ̀rí tá a rí rí nílùú tí a gbé ibẹ̀ ni wọ́n ti fìfẹ́ wọn tó tó yìí tí wọ́n rọ́ jáde wá nítorí èjè ni orí títì náà láwa yìí àti wà Manchester tó dijọ́ mẹ́ta gbogbo àwọn ẹranko Manchester tí wọ́n ń dún mọ́ òrùmọ́ ní àti ẹ̀rí wọn bí ẹ bá ṣe pé lérí ibu ni wọ́n ẹ bá ń wéyìn jẹsẹ̀ jáde nítorí yìí lè ṣe kí wọ́n dárúkọ ẹ̀ pé mi ti ń bẹ́ẹ̀ lu yìí sọjọ́ mẹ́ta kó má dúró di on the 9 àmọ́ ọ̀pẹ́ jù èní ní 1st àná ní 31st ìjẹ́ kí ló dé jẹ́ òlọ́wọ́ àwọn mú mi báyìí wọ́n wé sí owó rẹ̀ wá sí London o àmọ́ agbọ́kọ́ ló wà nú ẹ̀wọ̀n bí títí ń bá àwọn ọlọ́pàá ṣeré lọ́wọ́ báyìí ṣe jẹ́ ká fílẹ̀ ìyẹn kọ́ ló bá wa lálẹ́ yẹn jẹ́ ká máa ṣe fàájì wa lọ. So these are our fans. We've got quite a lot of people here tonight, mostly men. Oh my gosh, I can't face them. We have huge fans in Manchester. There's no how I will not relocate to Manchester. I think I have to start contemplating on moving down here to live in Manchester. Yeah, because there seems to be so loving, you know, so loving, caring people. You know, you need to see the kind of welcome they've been giving me. It's so warm. I'm telling you, and it's so overwhelming. Honestly, it's really overwhelming. So thank you guys for being a part of this dream. It couldn't have been just me. Without you guys, there's no me. Without God, there's no us. So thank you, everyone. Let's appreciate our fans out here. They have spent so much money. They have spent their time, their quality time, you know, just to welcome your CEO. Look at it. We're not having the party yet. Everywhere is filled up this much. There are so many rooms in there and it's all filled up. So come on, do pay for long. Party lunch. Thank you so much. So I know I told you guys I'll be coming out, and if I don't come out, no, that wouldn't be nice. I need to show you what is going on. I need to let you guys see what is going on. So this is what we have. Lots of our fans, beautiful people out here tonight just to say hello to your AJ. Yes. So trust your babe. Only dawo gunduru of manchi. Ekwoko yewe. Only Jet Li.
Bruce Lee.
Also need Bruce Lee.
Dramenda.
Also need Dramenda.
Anta Masha.
Okay. Oh my God, yes. Thank you so much, Yeye Dupsy. I love you too. Thank you, Sister Yabo. Thank you. Oh my God, a lot on the boy. So you were to buy if it's any gbèsè ayé lágbájáre. Oh my Junior, I want you konya jemo. Oh my God, I'm ready blog anybody bloggable. Yeah, if you got blog, I must blog or Jerry Omwena. Garani.
Fake lewe jo vingaya wenyo. Lewe osise.
One is Kama wash.
Kama wash. Awa mo somolula wa ma.
Shogbo yewe se ma wa be bayi o. Thank you, my darling. Thank you. Bimbola Makoba. Bimbola Shonde has been here. She's been doing her own coverage. Where she do? Yes, she came to say hello to me. So thank you, everybody, for coming out to see what is happening tonight. There's not much to say apart from showing you the crowd, the huge crowd that we've got in there. We've got about 4 rooms in there and it's all filled up. And Ibolatullah, there is also a party somewhere in town at Shetham Hill. So that's what we're moving to now when we leave this place to watch a film premiere. So guys, I'm having fun in Manchester. I can't be bothered about the things happening on Facebook. So thank you, everybody. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Come and try it.
Okay. Oh, sorry, Olajumoke, that you couldn't make it, but don't worry. I'm so very much around. Everybody, thank you so much. We're having a party. They're dancing in there, and I need to go see that with my fans. There's so much going on in there. Torí Àbíkẹ́ yín náà ni wọ́n ọ̀dálẹ̀ torí èèyàn méjì wọ́n torí Àbíkẹ́ yín. Thank you, Juliet Odige. Thank you. You are amazing. Thank you, Juliet. Thank you, everyone. Ajani Robert, thank you so much. You see how much fans we've got in Manchester? We've got a huge fan base here, I'm telling you. This is really overwhelming for me, honestly, it is. So I need to sneak out to do this video because I know I owe you guys this video. I promised to do since morning, but I haven't had enough time to rest. We've been going from one place to the other, you know. Yes, sorry, hold on, guys. We have somebody else coming in now. Let's say sorry. Oh, Samia, thank you very much. Thank you. So guys, you see, eba npe àwọn arod kejì wá pé kàn wá wọlé ayé wọn. Wọ́n fẹ́ràn ẹ̀. Kò sẹ́ni tó like ọmọ yẹn. Kí lẹ wá sọ lẹ́yìn eléyìí. Ó di bí mélòó lẹ́yìn dé tó ti ṣerú eléyìí fún yín. Ọlọ́run ó darí ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ rẹ ni. Ẹ lọ yípadà ọkàn is all we are asking for. Live and let others. Okay? It is everybody's cyberspace. You claim your territory, I claim my territory. If only you know how to respect yourself in your territory and learn not to cross boundaries, then nobody will come crossing your own, you know, boundary. You maintain. Let it be a peaceful place for everybody. Thank you, Adenike, Adesi. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Yes. So, I'm gonna turn this off soon. Anyway, guys, I can't stay here for too long. I need to turn this off, you know. So I gotta go. It's just for you guys to see what is going on, and I do not have much to say but to just share this beautiful moment with you, which you all have witnessed. We have so many people on the street waiting, hanging here and there. Can you see? So many people everywhere, across, inside, outside, all around. Some are even sitting in the car so we can proceed to the next venue where the movie premiere is going to be, you know, taking place. So thank you, everybody. Thank you. Yes, so anyway, guys, I gotta go. Thank you so much for coming out to see these wonderful fans that are rejoicing with us tonight. Thank you. So tomorrow, I promise you, I would have been more relaxed. I would have taken a very good sleep, and I'll come back to you. Okay, then I'll be more relaxed. We can have a better conversation then. So, pardon me. You see, so many people hanging everywhere because of me. See, I gotta go and pay them some attention. Okay, thank you everybody for coming out. God bless you all. I will see you all tomorrow by the special grace of God. I love you all. Thank you. I'm a little bit nervous. Too many people. I am not camera shy, but when it comes to crowd, you'll see you can be a little bit shy. I don't know what to say to most of them, but then I am embracing this beautiful moment. So thank you so much, everybody. I love you all. I love you all. Let's keep the good work going. Let's not relent in fighting this ongoing bullying act on social media. And before you know it, we will come out, you know, as a warrior. Yes, we are trying, and you know, gradually we will get there. Seriously. Thank you, everybody. Bye for now. Good night. Don't worry, I'll be posting pictures. Trust me now. Bye. Bye, everyone.